Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about understanding the engineering change request, ECR process, a guide. Let's jump right into it. Understanding the engineering change request, ECR. Process, a guide. In any engineering or manufacturing environment, changes are inevitable. Whether they arise due to design improvements, cost reductions, or correction of errors, managing these changes effectively is critical to ensuring the final product's quality and functionality. This is where the engineering change request, ECR, comes into play. What is an engineering change request, ECR? An engineering change request is a formal document used to propose changes to a product's design, materials, specifications, or processes. It initiates the change management process and is the first step in evaluating whether an engineering change is necessary. The ECR typically outlines the need for change, the reason behind it, and potential impacts on production, quality, cost, and timelines. Why is ECR important? In complex industries like aerospace, automotive, electronics, or medical devices, even minor changes can have significant consequences. Failing to manage these changes properly can lead to product malfunctions, delays in production, or increased costs. The ECR helps ensure that all proposed changes are evaluated rigorously before implementation, reducing the risk of errors. Key components of an ECR. An ECR usually contains the following elements: change description, a clear and detailed explanation of the proposed change. Reason for change. The rationale behind the request, whether it's for cost savings, performance improvement, or correcting a defect. Impact assessment. Analysis of how the change will affect product performance, cost, schedule, quality, and compliance. Proposed solution. Potential solutions or alternatives to implement the change, including any design revisions or process adjustments. Approval signatures. A list of authorized personnel who need to approve the change before it can proceed. The ECR process, step by step. Identification of the need for change. This could come from various sources such as customer feedback, quality control teams, or new technological advancements. ECR submission. The requester fills out an ECR form detailing the proposed change, reasons, and expected impact. Initial review. A cross-functional team, including design engineers, project managers, and quality control, reviews the ECR for feasibility and necessity. Impact analysis. Teams assess how the proposed change will affect production schedules, costs, material procurement, and product performance. Approval or rejection. Based on the analysis, the ECR is either approved, rejected, or sent back for revisions. Documentation and communication. Approved ECRs are documented, and all stakeholders are informed of the change to ensure proper implementation. ECR versus ECN, Engineering Change Notice. While the ECR is the initial request for change, an Engineering Change Notice, ECN, is a formal document issued to implement the approved changes. The ECN provides details of the specific actions required to bring the change into effect, such as modifying design blueprints, updating bills of materials, BOM, or altering production methods. Best practices for managing ECRs. Centralized system. Use a centralized digital system for submitting, reviewing, and tracking ECRs to streamline the process and improve transparency. Cross-functional teams. Involve members from various departments, engineering, manufacturing, procurement, and quality control, to ensure a holistic view of the change's impact. Timely reviews. Ensure ECRs are reviewed and processed in a timely manner to prevent delays in production or product launch. Clear documentation. Keep comprehensive records of all changes for future reference, audits, and compliance purposes. Conclusion. The engineering change request is a crucial tool in the change management process, allowing organizations to stay flexible while maintaining quality and control over product design and manufacturing. By following a structured ECR process, companies can ensure that changes are managed efficiently, minimizing risks and improving overall product performance. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.